Hello, my wonderful YouTube family. I am your AJ. I welcome you to your channel. Friends, do you ever feel like your brain is wrapped in a thick, heavy fog? Are you struggling to focus, remember things, or stay alert? You are not alone. In today's video, we are diving deep into how to get rid of brain fog fast. We will share invaluable tips for mental clarity and cognitive health that are practical and effective. Plus, make sure you stick around till the end because we have an intriguing quiz session just for you. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out our previous video on brain fog, its signs and symptoms, and how to beat it. Just click the I button above or find the link in the description below. First, go and watch that particular video and come back. Alright folks, let's get started. Number 1. First things first, hydration. Believe it or not, one of the simplest ways to clear your mind is to drink more water. Your brain is made up of over 70% of water, and dehydration can severely affect cognitive function. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. You can even set reminders on your phone to keep sipping throughout the day. Number 2. Balanced diet. Next, let's talk about the diet. What you eat significantly impacts your brain's performance. Incorporate food rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon or flax seeds, as well as antioxidants from fruits and vegetables. Avoid sugar or processed foods, which can cause energy crashes and worsen brain fog. Trust me, your brain will thank you for the healthier choices. Number 3. Now let's address the importance of sleep. Quality sleep is a cornerstone of good mental health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep per night. Consider establishing a bed routine. Turn off screen and hour before bed, and perhaps indulge in a book or some calm music to help you unwind. Number 4. Mindfulness or meditation. Meditation and mindfulness exercises can work wonders for your mental clarity. Just spend 10 to 15 minutes a day in meditation can help reduce stress and improve focus. If you are new to meditation, there are plenty of guided sessions available online to help you get started. Number 5. Physical activity. Don't underestimate the power of physical exercise. Regular physical activity increases blood flow to the brain and can significantly reduce brain fog. Whether it's brisk walk, a yoga session, or a high-intensity interval training workout, find something you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Number 6. Mental exercise. Challenging your brain with mental exercises like puzzles, reading, or learning something new, you can keep your mind sharp. Make it a habit to engage in activities that stimulate your brain. Number 7. Reduce stress. Chronic stress is one of the biggest culprits behind brain fog. Take proactive steps to manage stress, whether it's through practicing mindfulness, taking breaks, or seeking professional help if needed. Your mental clarity is important, and tackling stress head-on can make a significant difference. Number 8. Reduce toxins and negative influences. Limit alcohol and avoid drugs. Both can impair brain function and contribute to brain fog and other cognitive issues. Quit smoking. Smoking reduces blood flow to the brain, affects neurotransmitters production, and increases oxidative stress. Number 9. Environment. Declutter your space. A cluttered environment can contribute to a cluttered mind. Keep your personal and work spaces clean and organized to promote a sense of calm and clarity. Number 10. Schedule breaks. Regular short breaks. Take regular break during work or study sessions. The Pomodoro techniques, 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break, can be highly effective. By incorporating these practical tips into your real lifestyle, you will be well on your way to achieving improved mental clarity and overall cognitive health. And now for something fun, we have got an engaging quiz session coming up to test your knowledge on brain health. So make sure you stick around till the end. Let's quickly recap what we have learned. Stay hydrated, stick to balanced diet rich in omega-3 as an antioxidants, prioritize quality sleep, practice mindfulness and meditation, keep physically active, engage in mental exercises, actively manage your stress, reduce toxins and negative influences, environment, regular short breaks. Alright, it's quiz time. Let's see how much you have learned. What percentage of brain is made up of water? Name one food rich in omega-3 fatty acids. How many hours of sleep should you aim for each night? Write your answer in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, mental clarity is just a few steps away. Stay healthy and see you in the next one. Thank you so much.